Hello, beautiful divine one. Hello. I am honored to be in this space with you, to be in this connection with you. And I offer you this space with this greatest degree of love and gratitude for you. If you feel to join me in this space will offer you peace. If you feel to join me in this space will offer you love. You will be seen. You will be heard. You will be valued. If you feel to allow the energy of those spaces of alignment to be here for you, please join me now. Just get yourself into a comfortable position. You may sit or you may lie down. Pause the video if you need to. And now, as you are comfortable in your position, just allow yourself. Take a nice, deep, slow breath in, nice and slow. Exhale and let the body drop. Beautiful, beautiful. Cosmic quantum energy is flowing. Just allow the space. Just allow the space. Just be, just breathe. Let your body relax. Beautiful. You can feel you grounding deeper into your space, your now line. You are an eternal being. You are an eternal being of light, and you are having an experience in this now. Just allow the space. It's very big. The energy here is a higher vibrational space of connection through Acasma quantum expansion. This is a higher consciousness from spaces of my being that is assisting humanity in this now. Future assisting what we see as the past, which happens to be our present. Divine, fascinating. Breathe and allow. Yaratasa neana oa. Iratasa eana oa. Keia teneana. Keia teneana tawa harataseia. Yaratakaniana tata aoa. Keia ratatatatata ara tatata ea. Tia ratatatatata ara tatatata. Hene yana taka aua kekia. Aua Ia tuku u nane anataka a kuku a ea taka a ea taka a ea anene anataua. Just allow the space. Just allow you. Allow you. Trust you. Love you. Be you. No one else but you. Trust you. Listen to you. Listen to you. You are loved. 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 You. You are loved. You are beautiful. You are eternal light. You are remembering. You are remembering your wholeness. You are remembering